Alright, the video blog check everybody, Azrael here. Eto na, dumating na. Dumating na yung bago smartphone for the year 2026. And it's on my hand. It's the Honor X9D 5G from Honor Philippines. So, ano pang inaantay natin? I-drop test na natin to at ibalibag na natin kung gaano katibay itong phone na to. No? So, alright, let's do this. Ay!
Gagi. Ito.
Tanggalin mo yung casing.
Ayun, mami.
Okay, drop test na natin to. Ay! Yung screen. Yung screen protector nagbubbles kaagad. Oh, it's okay. Ay! It's alive. Alright, napanood nyo na yung durability test natin dito sa Honor X9D 5G. So abangan nyo, ang launching na to here in the Philippines is on January 9. So napakaganda ng screen nito, grabe, napakatibay, grabe. Matindi tong phone na nilabas sila ngayon. At ayun, so kita-kita tayo sa launching nito, no? At we're going to post more videos once nag-launch na at malalaman natin yung SRP nito and also other baka mga freebies nila, no? Pero nakalat na sa internet, no? Pag pupunta kayo sa Honor Store, na mayroong pa-raffle sila pag nag-pre-order ka ng Honor X9D 5G. So alam nyo na yon. Pag nakita nyo na, nakalat na sa internet, if you're a member of the Honor Philippines Community Facebook group, nandun na lahat na i-post na nila. No? I'm very excited for this phone. Napakaganda. Ibang klase, ibang level. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung screen niya. Matibay. Pinampopok-pok ko pa. So yun, that's it for our video. So kinumpile ko yung ating mga drop test and scatter ako ng mga ibang videos sa internet to showcase the durability of this phone. No? So yun, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Take note, huwag niyong gagayahin yung ginawa namin. No? Kasi pag bumili kayo at talagang sinadya yung balibagin yan, syempre baka masira. No? So ingat lang din tayo. It is for a test lang here sa aming test with Honor Philippines using the Honor X9D 5G. Whoops! It's alive.